Solo brothers and sisters, good morning to all. Today's session is continuation of the fundamentals of organic chemistry. Last class we are discussed about nomenclature of ketone, carboxylic acid and nitrocompounds. Now we are discuss about nomenclature of amines. General formula RNH2. Amines are the derivatives of ammonia in which one or more hydrogen can be replaced by the alkyl or aryl group. For example, NH3. This is a formula for ammonia. One hydrogen can be replaced by one alkyl group to form RNH2. Nitrogen carrying two hydrogen, one alkyl group. This name is called peroramine. Two hydrogen can be replaced by the two alkyl group and form R2NH. Nitrogen carrying one hydrogen, it forms the secondary amine. Three hydrogen can be replaced by three alkyl group and forming R3N. It is a tertiary amine. Here, nitrogen which contains the one more lone pair, this lone pair able to tonate and accept the any group to form R4N positive charge and X minus this quaternary ammonium salt. These are the classification of amines. Peroramine, secondary amine, another one is a tertiary amine. And a quaternary ammonium salt. Amine can be derived from alkane. In alkane, this E can be replaced by amine. So, alkanamine. For example, common name, IUPAC name. Molecular formula CnH2n plus 1 NH2 or CnH2n plus 3 N. For example, CH3 CH2 NH2. 2 carbon, common name. This is alkyl group, so alkyl amine. IUPAC name alkanamine. Here only 2 carbon, 1 carbon methyl group, 2 carbon ethyl, so ethyl amine as a common name. IUPAC name only 2 carbon, so ethanamine. Another one more example, CH3, 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 NH2. After the writing the compounds, this compound satisfies the valency of all the elements. What is the valency of carbon? Carbon valency 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Nitrogen valency 3. Here 2, here 1. Hydrogen valency 1. So 2 hydrogen. Nitrogen which contains in the lone pair. Here nitrogen carrying 2 hydrogen. This one best example for peroramine, but carbon atom tertiary carbon. So tertiary, totally how many carbon atom? 1 2 3 4. Tertiary butyl amine. IUPAC name, we have to select the longest chain as a word root. 1 2 3. In the second position, there is a amino group, that is a functional group, and a methyl group. What's the name? 2-methyl propane. Totally how many carbon atom? 1 2 3 3 carbon, 2 amine. This is IUPAC name. Another one, CH2 double bond CH, CH2 NH2. This one best example for unsaturated amine. This is allyl group, so common name allyl amine. IUPAC name given by the number with the functional group. Functional group attached to the first carbon atom, give the least number 1 2 3. Totally how many carbon atom? 3 carbon atom. In the second position there is a double bond, so 2. How many carbon atom? 1 2 3. Propene, 1 amine. Another compounds, aromatic compounds. NH2 directly attached to the benzene nucleus. This name is called aromatic compound. Common name aniline. IUPAC name, this compound is a benzene derivative, so benzonamine. In the benzene nucleus, there are 2 substituents. First priority NH2. These are got another one priority. How to give the number, least number from the amine? 1 2 3 4. Another one more common name. Functional group attached to the adjacent carbon atom. This one ortho. Alternative is a meta. Opposite para. Common name para bromo aniline. IUPAC name, this substituent present in the fourth position. 4-bromo. This is a benzene nucleus, so benzamine. Another compound, what is the valence of nitrogen? 3. 1 2 3. This one best example for aromatic tertiary amine. In the nitrogen attached, there are 2 methyl groups, so N, N dimethyl. This compound is aniline. IUPAC name N, N dimethyl. These are benzene nucleus, so benzamine. This one best example for aromatic compound. Next is secondary amine. CH3 NH CH2 CH3. Nitrogen carrying 1 hydrogen, 2 different alkyl group. This one best example for secondary amine. How to give the number? From this side only 1 carbon, so methyl group. From this side ethyl group. How to write the name according to the alphabetic order? Ethyl methyl amine as a common name. Ethyl methyl amine. IUPAC name, nitrogen attached with the maximum number of carbon atom as a root word. Here 2 carbon atom. This one is a substituent. So nth position there is a methyl group. So N-methyl ethanamine. Next, tertiary amine. CH3, CH2, N, CH3, CH2, CH2, CH3. Nitrogen carrying no hydrogen but a different alkyl group. This one best example for tertiary amine. Here 2 carbon, 1 carbon atom, here 3 carbon atom, maximum number of carbon atom as a considered as a root word. So functional group attached to the first carbon atom, give the list number 1, 2, 3. Here nth position there are 2 different alkyl group. This one is a methyl group, this one is a ethyl group. Alphabetic order: N, ethyl, N, methyl. N ethyl, N methyl, propylamine. Three or more than 3 carbon present meaning you have to give the notation small n. Small n means normal the number of carbon are present in the straight chain. This one is an example for the secondary amine. This one example for the tertiary amine. Some compound which containing the polyfunctional group. IPAC rule for polyfunctional group. What is the meaning for polyfunctional group? Mean more than one functional group present in the organic compound. For example, CH3, C double bond O, CH, OH, CH, NH2, COOH. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 functional group present. In the case of polyfunctional group, any one of the functional group selected as a principal functional group, remaining all functional group are subordinate functional group as a substituent. What is the order for? Write down the priority. First one, carboxylic acid. Another one, sulfonic acid. Next one, ester. Next, acid halide. Next, acid amide. Another one, cyanide. Another one, functional group, that is a aldehyde group. Another one, keto group. Next, alcohol, NH2, carbon-carbon double bond, carbon-carbon triple bond, carbon-carbon single bond, ether, halogen, finally NO2 group. These are the order for priority of principal functional group. Here, first priority carboxylic acid. In that compound is a carboxylic acid chosen as a principal functional group. So, give the least number from which side? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Remaining 1, 2, 3. 3 functional groups are present. One or more functional group present means these are the example for polyfunctional group. Write down according to the alphabetic order. This amino group, hydroxy group, keto group. Here amino group is the first 2 amino, 3 hydroxy, 4 oxo. Totally how many number of carbon atom? 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Pentane, 1 ic acid as a IPAC name. What is that? 2 amino, 3 hydroxy, 4 oxo, pentane, 1 ic acid. This one IPAC name for this compound. This compound is a best example for polyfunctional groups. Next we will discuss about representation of organic molecule in 3D and 2D structure. There are different type of formula. First formula, wedge dash formula. Another one, Fisher projection formula. Next one, Sawhorse projection formula. Last one, Newman projection formula. First one, wedge dash projection formula. Carbon valence 4, four valency can be satisfied the four other different atoms. Hybridization. What is the formula for hybridization? Number of sigma bond and lone pair. Here there is no lone pair. Number of sigma bond 4. 4 means sp3 hybridization. sp3 means tetrahedral molecule. In the tetrahedral molecules shown by the two different lines present in the plane. These are the plane. This representation of bond going up the plane. This representation of bond going below the plane. These are the example for wedge dash formula. Another one, Fisher projection. Exact spatial arrangement of atom or molecule having the asymmetric carbon atom. This is known as asymmetric carbon atom, in which more oxidized group written at the top, more reduced group written at the bottom, we can view from the heteroatom. This one is a simplest formula for glyceroldehyde as a standard compound, so Fisher projection formula. Another one, this one best example for tartaric acid. Here atoms are grouped attached to the asymmetric carbon atom. These atoms present in the same side of the asymmetric carbon atom. This compound is de-erythroform. Opposite mean this one L3O form. This one best example for Fisher projection formula. Number of carbon atom, that is asymmetric carbon atom increase mean optical isomerism of increases. This compound rotated about the 180 degree. There are two carbon atom. This carbon valence 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. This carbon valence is a 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Here, this carbon is a front carbon, this carbon is a backside carbon. How to write this? For example, here the starting group, front carbon atom, hydrogen, here OH group present, same side the hydrogen is a OH, this is a carboxylic acid. This one example for Sahars. Another one, this converted into Newman projection formula. This carbon is a front carbon. This carbon is a backside carbon. Front carbon, that is this front carbon, COOH group. Another one is this group present in the OH and hydrogen. Opposite COOH. Same side, OH group, here hydrogen. This one example for Newman projection formula. Representation of organic molecule, we are classified into 4: Wedge, Fischer, Sahars, Newman projection formula. This configuration of the formula. Configuration of the molecule. What is the configuration? Spatial arrangement of atoms or groups in a molecule having the asymmetric carbon atom. Next topic, isomerism. Here, isos mean same, meros means part. What is the definition for isomerism? Compound having same molecular formula but differ in physical and chemical property. This is known as isomer, the phenomenon known as isomerism. Isomerism can be classified into two types. First one is structural isomerism. Another one is stereoisomerism. What is the definition for stereoisomerism? Compound having same molecular formula but different configuration. These can be classified into two types. Configuration isomerism, conformational isomerism. Configurational isomerism can be classified in two types. Geometrical isomerism, another one is optical isomerism. Geometrical isomerism can be classified in two types. Cis similar to Z, trans similar to E. Optical isomerism, another name, enantiomer. That is a enantiomerism. This part you have to discuss about later. Now we are discuss about structural isomerism. Structural isomerism, another name, constitutional isomerism. These can be classified in different types. First one, chain isomerism. Second one, position isomerism. Third one, functional isomerism. Another one, metamerism. Tautomerism. chain isomerism, last one, isotonic isomerism. These are can be classified into different type. How to discuss about one by one. First one, chain isomerism. What is the definition for chain isomerism? Isomerism arises due to same molecular formula but a different carbon skeleton. This is known as chain isomerism. For example, CH3, CH2, 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 CH3. CH3, CH3, CH2, CH3. CH3, 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 CH3. First one, totally common carbon atom 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There is a C5. Common hydrogen 5, 10, 12 H2. This carbon atom 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 carbon. Common hydrogen 3, 3 plus 6, 7, 9, 9 plus 3, 12. For this compound, totally common carbon atom 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 carbon atom. Common hydrogen is a 12 hydrogen. These are the best example for chain isomerism. What is the definition for chain isomerism? All of having same molecular formula but a different carbon skeleton, either straight or branch. What is the name of this compound? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. N-pentane. Totally 5 carbon atom. N means normal straight chain. This one, second carbon there is a branch. Branch one, first one same in iso. Iso, totally common carbon atom 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 carbon atom, isopentane. For this compound, what is the valence of carbon? 1, 2, 3, 4 carbon. 4 carbon attached to the same carbon. This name is called neopentane. These all are example for chain isomerism. Second one, position isomerism. What is the definition for position isomerism? Isomerism arises due to same molecular formula, same carbon skeleton, same functional group, but functional group located at carbon skeletons are differ. This is known as position isomerism. For example, CH3, CH2, 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 OH. CH3, CH, OH, CH2, CH3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 carbon atom. Functional group attached to the first carbon atom. Give the list number 1, 2, 3, 4. Functional group attached to the carbon carrying 1 hydrogen, 2 different alkyl group. This is known as a secondary alcohol. Best example. Functional group attached to this carbon. Give the least number from less number of carbon atom. So give the least number from this side. 1, 2, 3, 4. This one name, total common carbon atom, 4 carbon, butane, 1 R. This one, butane, 2 R. In that compound, OH group attached to the first carbon atom. In that compound, OH group attached to the second carbon atom. Total common carbon, 4 carbon, C4. Common hydrogen 5, 7, 9, 10 hydrogen, 1 oxygen. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 carbon, common hydrogen 3, 5, 7, 7 plus 3, 10, 1 oxygen. This compound having same molecular formula, same functional group, But a functional group attached to the carbon atoms are differ. This known as position isomerism. Another one example: CH3, CH2, 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 Cl, CH3, CH, Cl, CH2, CH3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here halogen attached to the first carbon atom. Here halogen attached to the second carbon atom. This name 1-chlorobutane. This name 2-chlorobutane. 2-chlorobutane. This one 1-chlorobutane. These two are example for position isomerism. Another one is a functional isomerism. What is the definition for functional isomerism? Isomerism arises due to same molecular formula but different functional group. First one, alcohol is the functional isomerism of ether. Ether. Alcohol general formula ROH. Ether general formula ROR dash. For example, CH3, CH2, OH. This one best example for ethanol. And CH3, O, CH3. Here common number of carbon atom 1, 2, so C2, common hydrogen 5, 6 hydrogen, common oxygen 1 oxygen. Here common carbon atom 2 carbon atom, common hydrogen 6 hydrogen, common carbon, common oxygen 1 oxygen. Compound having same molecular formula but different functional group. Here alcohol functional group OH, here ether functional group O. Second one, cycloalkanol is a functional isomerism of acetone. For example, this name cyclo 1, 2, 3, 4 carbon butanol, 4 carbon acetone, CH3, CO, CH2, CH3. Here totally common carbon atom 4 carbon atom, that is a C4, common hydrogen 2, 2, 2, 3 is a 8 hydrogen 1 oxygen. 1, 2, 3, 4 carbon, common hydrogen 5 plus 3 8 hydrogen, common oxygen 1. This one is an example for the ketone. How to give the numbering from which side? Less number of carbon atom 1, 2, 3, 4. What's the name? Butanone. What butanone? 2-butanone because of functional group present at second carbon atom. So cycloalkanol is a functional isomerism of acetone. Another third example for functional isomerism. Aldehyde is a functional isomerism of ketone and unsaturated alcohol. For example, aldehyde CH3, CH2, CHO. And ketone 3 carbon CH3, CO, CH3, CH2 double bond CH, CH2 OH. For in that compound, totally common carbon atom 3 carbon C3, common hydrogen 6 hydrogen, common oxygen 1. For this compounds 1, 2, 3 carbon, common hydrogen 6 hydrogen, 1 oxygen. For that compound, common carbon 1, 2, 3. 3 carbon, common hydrogen 2 plus 1, 3, 5, 6, 1 oxygen. So aldehyde, this aldehyde is a functional isomerism of ketone and unsaturated alcohol. This name propionaldehyde. This one name acetone. This one name allyl alcohol. Fourth one, carboxylic acid is functional isomerism of ester. For example, CH3, CH2, COOH. 3 carbon acid, CH3, COO, CH3. This is a carboxylic acid. This one is a ester. Totally common carbon atom, 3 carbon, common hydrogen, 6 hydrogen, common oxygen, 2 oxygen. Here common carbon 1, 2, 3 carbon, 3 carbon, common hydrogen plus 3, here plus 3, 6 hydrogen, common oxygen, 2 oxygen. So both are same molecular formula but a different functional group. This known as example for functional isomerism. Here acid functional group carboxylic acid, ester functional group COOR. What is the name of this compound? Propionic acid. This one name methyl acetate. These all are example for functional isomerism. Let us recap the organic compound. First we are discuss about nomenclature of amine, primary amine, secondary amine, tertiary amine and quaternary ammonium salt, then aromatic amine. Next IUPAC rule for polyfunctional group, then representation of organic molecules in 3D and 2D structure. Next isomerism. Isomerism can be classified into 2 types. Structural isomerism, another one is a stereoisomerism. Stereoisomerism can be classified into different type, and structural isomerism can be classified into different type. Remaining we discuss about next class. Organic compound is a volatile nature. How to practice regularly. Good luck.